designed to improve optimum dynamic control of all flexible features. The sequence of actions underlying the operation has been strategically designed to reduce any possible idle times. The bulk feeder, instructed by the vision system, doses the components onto the disc, the diverter moves them away from the edges, and the flip separates and positions them. The vision system sends the parts coordinates to the robot for the picking. The system can work in standard, continuous, or multi-feed mode. In the standard default sequence, the buffer feeds components to the spinning disc, and the components are oriented to the desired picking position. It is ideal to achieve extreme picking accuracy. In Flexible's continuous operation, FlexiTrack, the system moves at a constant speed during the picking. And further, the multi-feed mode allows up to 6 different types of components to be fed simultaneously using a single system. The layout is minimized as the investment and production costs.